The Mini Cooper S in the John Cooper Works trim cites the brand's racing history through an individual front and rear design. Equipped with a powerful four-cylinder gasoline engine and a suspension and damping system tailored to agile handling, the iconic three-door Mini model stands for maximum driving pleasure. The agile Mini Cooper S impresses in urban environments with compact proportions. A high level of driving pleasure, safety and comfort is provided by the precise Mini-typical steering combined with an automatic sports transmission, powerful brakes and a low centre of gravity. The increased track width of the Mini three-door vehicle optimizes driving dynamics in demanding situations. With 150 kilowatts or 204 brake horsepower, the 2.0-litre TwinPower Turbo engine accelerates the Mini Cooper S, combined fuel consumption 6.4, 6.1 LL100 per kilometre, combined CO2 emissions 144, 138 G per kilometre in accordance with WLTP, with 300 Newton-meters maximum torque from 0 to 100 kilometres in 6.6 seconds. In the John Cooper Works trim, exclusive equipment details underline Mini's motorsport DNA and remind us of the performance-oriented model series due to its aesthetics. Since the legendary victories at the Monte Carlo Rally in the 1960s, the high-performance Mini John Cooper Works models regularly demonstrate the brand's engineering skills to this day, currently with a class victory in the 24-hour race at the Nürburgring in June 2024. Design inspired by racing. With distinctive diffusers at the front and rear, the Mini Cooper S's JCW Trim focuses on performance. The John Cooper Works logo, embossed with clear outlines in the traditional red-white-black colour scheme with the symbolized target flag, also stands for this. These trim-specific details are particularly visible on the high-gloss black octagonal front grille. The contrasting black roof and mirror caps provide visual highlights. JCW brake calipers in black with a JCW badge and exclusive rim designs in 17-inch and 18-inch sizes reinforce the Mini Cooper S's powerful appearance in JCW trim. John Cooper Works interior with motorsport focus. Made of black synthetic leather, JCW sport seats for driver and passenger accentuate the exclusive sportiness of the John Cooper Works trim with multicolour knitted material in the shoulder area and red accent seams. The colour scheme inspired by motorsport continues on the knitted surface of the dashboard with a trim-specific black and red pattern in the style of a checkered flag. The high-resolution OLED display with a 240 mm diameter summarises all vehicle-related data. The navigation, media, telephone and climate settings are easily accessible to the driver and front passenger at any time via the central instrument. With the new Mini experience modes, the interior ambience can be individually coordinated. In the John Cooper Works-inspired go-kart mode, the interior lighting and the central display are anthracite red, safe driving and easy parking. The automatic speed and distance control help facilitate traffic while driving. When navigating, the Mini navigation supports the driver through 3D visualization, augmented view, the presentation of the current traffic situation, information on parking options, including digital payment options, and much more. As part of the comprehensive Driving Assistant Plus function package, camera and radar-based assistance functions increase safety by assisting with steering and lane keeping. The Parking Assistant Professional recognizes suitable parking spaces and independently initiates parking processes on request. When getting out, the Safe Exit function monitors the environment as standard and warns of approaching road users before opening the door. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to our JCW Adventures channel for the latest Mini news and reviews on YouTube.